Good morning, gorgeous. We are talking about fixing sleep issues in midlife. Did you know that insomnia in midlife isn't just some annoying, draining condition? It can actually speed up aging. It can interfere with your hormones and create a hormonal imbalance and steal your energy so you just feel like a walking zombie. Women are twice as likely to suffer from insomnia, and especially during the peak years of perimenopause and menopause. So if you're waking at 2 a.m. and that's become your new normal, stick around with me till the end because I'm going to explain why and what you can do about it naturally. I'm Dr. Andrea Purcell, and you're watching straight from the doctor's desk, where we specialize in natural medicine for women in midlife, the years where hormones shift, stress piles up, and sleep often becomes a real struggle. So for far too long, women have been told, oh, I have sleep problems too, just deal with it. Just push through those sleepless nights. But here is the truth. You don't have to live with insomnia. You don't have to live with your cup half full, because you do deserve deep, good, healing rest so that you can wake up energized and feel fully alive, and you can be present in your day. So if you're struggling with sleep, chances are that it's either going to show up in a couple of different ways. One, you cannot fall asleep. You're just lying there feeling exhausted, but you cannot sleep. Two, you wake up between 2 and 3 a.m., mind racing, just tossing and turning, just can't go back to sleep. Definitely frequent use of the bathroom breaks up your night and it interferes with sleep. So you can wake up in the morning feeling very drained, feeling unrefreshed, like you never even slept at all. You're not alone if this is happening to you. Poor sleep doesn't just leave you tired, but it literally saps the energy out of your body, your brain, and your life. Dealing with low energy and brain fog just makes life 5 times harder than it already is. Then we add in the mood swings, the irritability, the anxiety from the lack of sleep. Maybe then the scale starts creeping up, and then you just feel like you're aging faster than you need to be. So this is really why insomnia is much more than a sleep problem. It's actually a health disruptor. And here's the part that most doctors skip. Insomnia has real psychological causes that happen due to body shifts during midlife. So let's talk about those. So estrogen and progesterone start to decline, while cortisol, our stress hormone, rises. And so the result is that we have this wired nervous system. Our mind doesn't shut off because our body and our nervous system is already wired to be on guard, right? And then as a result of the higher stress, we have these blood sugar swings. And when our blood sugar dips at night, it can trigger the wake ups. Many of us, by the time we get to midlife, we have gaps in our nutrition. Magnesium deficiency is extremely common and directly linked to poor sleep. So some of these issues, or all of them, honestly, are why women are having such a hard time sleeping during the menopausal transition. But once we understand what's going on, then it's easy to address them, okay? So let's start with reclaiming good sleep. What can you do today? You can create a calming evening routine for yourself. You can keep your bedroom with the lights turned down, nice and cool, a sanctuary, okay? You want to limit screen 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Just shut them off. Then we can look at nutrition and what you're eating. Have a nice balanced meal with healthy protein, healthy fats, and some fiber in it. We want to avoid late night trips to the refrigerator that involve sugar, alcohol, caffeine, really any late night trips to the refrigerator. And then we want to look at some nice healing herbs like chamomile, passion flower, valerian, ashwagandha that can help calm the nervous system down. There's so many wonderful mind-body practices that you can build into a good sleep routine before bed. Things such as breathing exercises, meditation, journaling, reading a real book, a leisure reading book, and then taking some specific supplementation Like one of probably the safest would be magnesium, or low dose melatonin can help reset your sleep cycle. But here's what I want you to know. Natural medicine has a lot of answers. It's one of the best kept secrets out there, and you don't have to settle for sluggish mornings and just be sleep deprived. There are many things that we can do to dive in, help you balance your hormones, calm the nervous system, and get you that restorative sleep that your body needs. You're here to thrive. You're here to thrive with energy, focus, joy for every day of your life. So if you're ready to dive in and you feel like, oh my gosh, I don't know where to start, I need the guidance, you don't have to keep struggling. The good news is that if you're ready to take the next step and find out how natural medicine can help you, there are two great ways to get started. One, you can book a free discovery call. We can talk one-on-one about what's keeping you up at night and see if I can put a plan together that would help you. Two, you can join my email community. Not quite ready for a one-on-one call? You can just sign up and get my best tips on natural medicine and midlife, hormone balancing, and certainly encouragement, right? Just delivered right to your inbox every week. You can find me on the web at www.drandreapurcell.com, because you deserve more than just getting by. You deserve to thrive.